You were created to hide the creator. That's why he's a judge. Because I want to live inside you, he said. I want to live, you are hidden. Nwabeke is invisible. Then, the visible is animal. Human being, you can never. Nwabeke, after their education, they never see the 1.5% of the brain of man. They never. You can never know 1.5% capacity of a man. Black man is hidden. Nwabeke is invisible. So hidden is more than invisible. Before you have visible. Creator want to live inside you. That's why your suffering is much. Amu igwe, ndi nwaba amu igwe. Imakwa yebe igwe. Imakwa yebe igwe. That's why you will ebu everybody, because all ngu nwaba igwe. Nwaba igwe, bicycle, eji anya. Kwa motor vehicle. Then you have to have the no vehicle without value. They come with money. You have value, they have money. Yes. Now you leave the value, you go and borrow money. You leave the value to go and borrow money. What are you going to pay back with what? With your children. Where is your value?